Welcome back everyone. So till now we have seen how to create a notebook and all the notebook features within creating a notebook. Let's go somewhat differently now. Okay. Let me go back to the home page and see what are the featured notebooks, and these are all public notebooks where you can go and check each of these. Okay, and use it for your own work. Okay. So how to access this? Go to the home page. Okay, you can see it under featured notebooks. Okay, and if you click on see all, you can see the all the public notebook available. Okay, let me click one of these. So here it will also show you how many sources it has used to create this particular notebook. So in a way, it is very helpful. Okay, let me check one of the notebook over here, which one to choose. So let me check this. Okay, globalization since 1997, which is created on November 4th, and it has got around 26 sources. Okay, if you open this, okay, it has got many sources here, which has been you can check the type here. It looks like an text book. Okay, and it has provided the summary here. Let me change back the language to English here. Okay, and try to refresh. Okay, so you can work on it rather than you searching the sources and creating this. You can uh, it's a ready made for you. You can just check this and whatever you want. Give me to say 5 line summary of this. Okay, remember we had. Okay, so one thing you have to remember, you can't, there is no settings over here. Okay, you can't control the uh, feature of, chat. Okay, it is predefined. Remember, there was a long, custom, short. Okay, all those you cannot do. Okay, this is the, one limitation you should know. Give me 5 line summary of this. Okay, you don't have to, search for these files. It's already readily available for you. Okay. So it's going through all this document and creating it for you. Okay, it just created those give 5 line summary for this. Okay, so main use of this is you don't have to spend lot of time because it's already shared. Okay, and you can click on anything. Okay, everything will be readily available. So this studio part we will come in the next lecture. Okay, where how we can use each of these. Okay, so even the output is available here. Once I complete the studio overview, I'll explain you what are this and how to create this and how to access this. Thank you.